Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to navigate and send data to a page in Bumble. So let's say, for example, I have this page, I enter the data, I click on save, and I want the data to be sent to another page and it to navigate me to that page as well. So what we'll do, we'll use this button as a workflow. So I'll click on this button element, click here on add workflow, and now when the save button is clicked, I'll add the next step and I'll hover over element actions and I will go ahead and display the data in a group or pop-up. So the element I am going to use is going to be group text because that is where I want the data to be displayed. And the data to display itself, I want it to be the input A's value. So whatever is input in input A, I want the value. That is step 1. Now for step 2, I'll click on this plus icon and I want it to take me to another page. So I'll hover over navigation, click on go to page, and for the destination, I'll choose my other page, which is called send data to page. And the data to send, I want it to be input A's value. So that is what I want to send. If we come back here and we test this out, we'll see that it will actually send me to that page, but the data, okay, it will not be displayed because we haven't assigned that as a workflow yet. So what we need to do now, we need to come here, click on workflow and change to the other page. And here we need to set our own workflow. Click on new. And the first event is that when the page is loaded, we want to choose the next step, which is to display the data. That is what I want. I want the data to be displayed. I'll come over here to element actions, display the data in a group or pop-up. And for element, I'll choose this one, group text. The data to display will be either text parent group text. That is what I want. Now, if I go ahead and test this out again, and let's say I go ahead and type in hello world, click on save, and it should work. There we go. And that is how to navigate and send data to a page in Bubble.